My name is Robert Nedler. I've been in the industry for over 30 years, from machining components to applications and servicing of equipment, to finding solutions and robust technology for my customers. The impressions of Hwacheon machines is the reliability and the robustness of the product. They find the machines to be extremely rigid and precise. And furthermore, the reliability, long-term use of the machines. The strong point of Hwacheon machines is from the foundation, starting at that point. Rigid castings, box-way machines, geared spindles, high-performance spindle technology in vertical machines, vertical lathes, horizontal lathes, and so forth. Yes, Hwacheon provides a full suite of software for its vertical machining centers, from thermal displacement functions of the frame and also the spindle. We control the spindle growth and the bell mouthing. We can hold the spindle within 4 microns of spindle growth. Also, we have a full software suite for productivity, HECC for high efficiency control, where we can tune the machine to certain aspects of the die application or for a high tolerance component, which will reduce the cycle time and improve surface quality. Next, we have tool load detection. We can monitor the wear of the tool and prevent tool breakage or damage to the workpiece. And in conjunction with that, we offer a software suite called Optima, which will optimize your program, adaptive feed control, and again, improving the cycle time. Hwacheon spindle technology is a very important component in the machine. Hwacheon makes all their own spindles, from the gearbox spindle all the way to the highest performance 30,000 RPM spindles. They use some technology in the spindle to help with the longevity of the spindle and also the spindle growth. We incorporate a cooling jacket around the spindle, cooling the motor and the bearing housing itself. And also in our high performance machines, we use air jet or jet lubrication right to the bearing. Included in that, we use a suction pump to pull out the heat and filter and recycle through the spindle. Die mold machines are one of our strong points. We start not only with one model, but from the smallest all the way to the largest, all the way up to 2.5 meter. So a customer looking at a mold and die supplier or a builder will look at a product line which he can grow with. He can start out with one of our small mold and die for his electrodes, graphite machining, move into die segment machining, all the way up to full cavity molds for roughing and finishing of high performance mold and die components. That is also one of our strong points. In the US, we have a tremendous market for oil and gas, heavy turning in agriculture and mining and construction. And Hwacheon provides a full line of heavy-duty slant bed horizontal lathes and also vertical VTL lathes from small size to large size. Cost of ownership. Our customers take painstaking steps to research when they're purchasing a machine. They look at specification. They look at, is this a robust solution for my application? They do this for weeks, months, maybe even a year, looking at what is the best machine for their application. Second point is price. They will look at the price. What is the most cost-effective machine for my application? What is the cost of the machine, the tooling, and so forth? But there is a very important third point, which is cost of ownership. What is the cost of ownership of that product? You may have a good price up front today, but what is the cost of ownership year 1, 2, 3, 5, going out to 10 to 15 years? That is where Hwacheon is very strong. Reliability starts with our robustness, our foundation. We build all of our own castings. Very robust, quality control of the machine. High quality components going into the machine. This will help you with long-term reliability. The cost of ownership of a Hwacheon is very low throughout its lifetime of the machine.